How to profit from other people's products. In this video, we'll discuss how to make money from other people's products. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Although there are advantages to selling your own products and services, there are also drawbacks. For example, time and investment required to produce your own book, invention, or other product could mean a long delay in receiving profits and cash flow essential to your business survival. For this reason, you may decide to sell other people's products and services, either exclusively or to complement your own product line. You could stock an entire retail store of products, buy a franchise or other business, or obtain a dealership. However, this could require a substantial financial investment. Here then are just a few low-cost ways to profit from selling other people's products and services. 1. Commission sales. Act as a sales representative or agent of a company and sell their products or services for a percentage commission of the sales price. Many companies on the internet offer associate or affiliate programs that you can join to earn commission selling their products and services. Sometimes you can even make money from the efforts of other affiliates who sign up through your website. Thus, without having a product of their own, some people are earning their sole but substantial income from affiliate programs. 2. Consignment sales. You can take other people's products on a consignment basis, making your commission when you sell the item. Many second-hand shops, arts and crafts stores, and other retailers operate this way. You can also sell products of others through internet auction sites such as eBay. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share with your friends. 3. Dropshipping. You could buy inventory wholesale and try to sell it retail, but what if it doesn't sell? Even if you do sell, do you really want all that money tied up in stock? For these reasons, many businesses use dropshipping as a method of doing business. Whether from your home, retail store directly from your website, or through an online auction, you can arrange to sell an item before you purchase it. That way, you have nothing invested in inventory and won't get stuck with stock that won't sell. For example, let's assume that you have just sold a product to a customer for $100 plus shipping charges of $15. Having received the customer's payment, you now need to order the product from your dropship supplier. You will need to pay your supplier their cost of $50 plus $15 shipping, leaving you a $50 gross profit. Your supplier will now ship the product to your customer. 4. Finder's fees. Did you know that you can earn fees simply by introducing buyers and sellers? For example, a mining company may need to buy certain hard-to-obtain equipment for their operations. You could negotiate a percentage finder's fee for buying this equipment for them. Conversely, you could also obtain a finder's fee from a company that is trying to sell off their excess machinery but is having difficulty finding a buyer. 5. Joint ventures. Joint venture arrangements can be profitable. As an example, you could arrange to feature someone else's product in your e-zine or newsletter in return for a commission, even if they don't presently have an affiliate program. This list of low-cost ways to make a profit from other people's products and services is by no means exhaustive. However, it certainly illustrates that With some effort, other people's products could make you rich. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.